Hello everyone, back again. Even though probably I don't know when this video is going out, I haven't got a clue. Welcome back to the Ellmers Adventures. Just another video of showing you another quick, simple dietary thing that we're trying anyway. Showing you the Holy before, keeps you hydrated so you're not drinking all these horrible fizzy drinks. So I'm going to take you into the kitchen and show you what else we're using. So I'm going to just turn this camera around so you can have a look. Right, don't mind the state of the place, but yes, this stuff. Some of you might have heard it, some of you might not. This isn't a review or sponsored or anything. We've paid for this ourselves because we're trying to lose weight. Obviously, we're changing our diet a bit, but we've gone and trying this. This is not, before anyone thinks what I'm about to go on about, this is not a dietary item. This is basically just a meal replacement in a drink. So I haven't got one of their bottles to hand, but their bottles are literally just the same as these. So instead of oil, because these are 30 quid, you can get a starter pack, but these are £30 to do. Bottles as well, like this, that you can just drink straight out the bottle instead of making it, but the powder will go a longer way because you get something like 17 servings in this, where the drinks you only get like 5 or 6 drinks for like 20-30 quid. So this actually works out cheaper, so which is why we went for the powder. I've been trying to order actually some, but they always seem to be out of stock just lately. But basically, if you've got a busy lifestyle or you're in a van or anything and you keep missing meals like breakfast, lunch or dinner, this is what can replace it. It's got plenty of your calories, it's got all your vitamins as well. So you can see there, hang on, let me turn the camera there. Nutri-Score, which is obviously no doubt your nutrition and everything. But that's got every vitamin your body needs. It's got all your calories. And one of them drinks fills you up for about 3, 4, possibly even 5 hours. So what we tend to do, I will explain it more, what we tend to do with this. I'm just showing you what it is. So it's YFOODS. They do other flavours. They got vegan flavours as well. So basically just go over to their website, just type in Google YFOODS and their website will come up and they've got plenty of choice for you to have a look at. But remember, it isn't a dietary drink. You can't really go on a diet with this unless you do it the way I'm going to tell you about in a minute, which we're trying it to see if we actually lose weight. So I'm going to go back in the dining room and we'll have a little chat about it. Right, sat down now. I'm just going to put my leg up. Oh, going dry with all this talking. This is the third video I've done in the space of half an hour. They're only little short ones. Well, say short. I think the first one was probably over 30 minutes. I don't know. So I've edited it and had a look. Oh, it's so nice, that Holy. It's gorgeous. So much flavour in there. But anyway, not on the subject of Holy. We're on the subject of YFOODS and what we're doing. As you can see, I'm a big man. I'm not going to lie. And there's reasons behind this. It's not just for the fact I'm lazy or anything. There's reasons why we're like this. We don't want to go into it. But we've had a lot of bad things happen in the past. And obviously, like you do, you comfort eat. I'm not going to lie. That's what we did. And obviously, we put the weight on. And obviously, it's caused to have medical problems and things as well. So we are now trying to go on a diet. So we've changed, obviously, from all the rubbish that we used to get. We've changed that. We took all that away. Obviously starting on healthier drinks, none of these drinks that are fizzy, full of sugar and full of crap. So we're going for this Holy with all your vitamins, because that's one thing I was struggling with, was to control all my vitamins in my body, because I went for blood tests and things, all vitamins there, so I've been put on loads of tablets. Vitamins are all fine now. I'm guessing that might be because of these. So, and obviously the YFOODS. So YFOODS, what is it? Well, it's a meal replacement, but in a drink. It's a drink form. It's like a, oh, how can I say it? It's got a weird texture. It's a bit thicker than obviously water. It's like probably like it's basically like a milkshake, pretty much. Got chocolate flavour, vanilla flavour, caramel flavour. The berry flavour is the one we've got now. Oh, what else have they got? I can't think off the top of my head. They've got different flavours, and then they've got a vegan range as well. But they do state it's not a dietary drink. But the way we're working around that is I'm trying to have one solid meal a day. So that's like main at dinner time, well, tea time, dinner time, like say 4 or 5 o'clock. And then breakfast and lunch. We don't really eat breakfast anyway. That could probably be a reason, but we never really have unless we're away and we've had things like bacon or things like that. Or fry up, but we don't have things like the cereal and that. Sometimes we do, like Tina did this morning. But I don't. I'll go until probably, well, so now it's basically just gone 12:30, and I haven't had anything at all today apart from I think 2 or 3 cups of tea and now a holy. That's all I've had all day so far. I will get something soon. I'll find some. I'm not sure if I'll make anything or I'll have YFOODS. You don't have to have it every day. I mean, for a dietary purpose, what we were going to do, around about 11, 12 o'clock, we were going to have a YFOODS, and then have one meal a day because the YFOODS is meant to keep you full for anywhere from between 3 to 5 hours. So that will lead up until dinner time. So that way, I'm still getting all my nutrition, I'm still getting all the vitamins and everything my body needs, but in a drink and not actual solid food, which could have loads of salt in it, it depends on what you put in it. You never know, do you? Unless you look at it and think, oh, I've just eaten that, I'm on a diet, it's got all that salt and all that fat in. At least with this, there's nothing in it. It's just obviously your flavouring, it's a meal and a drink and that. It's got your calories and that, but there's nothing in it that's bad for you. It's all good for you. Same as holy, all good for you. It's better than water. It's got your vitamins and that in.
No.
And then that's what our plan is. Oh, sorry. That's just Harvey being a pays off school, isn't he? He's bored. All kids are the same, they're bored. But no, where was I? I've forgotten now. See what I mean? But yeah, this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to basically skip breakfast, which a lot of people are going to think, oh no, don't do that because that's not going to, well, I can't eat first thing in the morning. I just don't like eating first thing. Rather wake up, have a cup of tea, and that. By the time that's all up and my tea, it's basically time for lunch anyway, near enough, like 11 o'clock. So I have something at 11 o'clock, so it's like me breakfast and me lunch, if you get what I mean. So having one of them bottles, I haven't got all the other things going in. It's just all goodness going into my body. And then obviously I have a holy through the day, 1 or 2 of these a day. And then my main meal at night, so it doesn't affect my bowels, so everything still works fine and goes round. So we're trying that. With that, you get scoops like the holy. You get a little scoop, 1 scoop into there, but in the wifers you have to use 4 scoops. So it's quite a big scoop. So you think when you're pouring it in, right, this ain't holy, this is the YFOODS I'm talking about. So when you're putting 4 of them big scoops in, it probably comes up to about there with the scoop before the water, because you can put water or milk with it, I think. I'm sure it said on there you can add milk or water, depends on what you want, but apparently if you use milk it takes some of the nutrition out, so I use water. So when you think you've got to fill it, I think it said to 400 ml, because this is a 500 ml bottle. It's all labelled all on the side what the ml is, so it's basically the same. Their bottles are the same as these. I've got, tell you what, I'll take the lid off and I'll show you what's inside. It's a shaker. See? So each YFOODS and Holy use pretty much the same bottles. But with Holy, you get a bottle with every order pretty much. Because if you look, it says a shaker included. So these are the shakers, and YFOODS has the same thing. So when you're shaking it, it's mixing into here, breaking everything up. You know, you get where I'm coming from. So I just bought, because obviously it's £30 for the bag of Holy and you get 17 servings and roundabout. I haven't tested it yet because I haven't finished the bag off yet and I haven't counted how many I've had. Holy, I know you says you get 50 servings per tub. So that's basically 50 of them bottles. You can't fault that. You know, that's more than one a day in a home and each day of the month. So, you know, 40 quid with a bottle, that's all you drink you need. But we've got 4 in there because we just were like trying different flavours. So we thought, oh, we'll get this, this and this. Oh, communication's very good as well with Holy. I don't know why I keep bringing Holy up. This is about YFOODS. Right, get off the Holy. But yeah, the YFOODS. Do I recommend it? To To be honest, I don't know. For reason being, we haven't been on it long, so I don't know if I've lost any weight from it yet. I don't know. So, for purpose of if you've got a very, very, very busy lifestyle and you haven't got time to eat, say like if you're working and you can't get a lunch break and things, then yes, highly do, because at least then you're still getting all your nutritions from where you're skipping a meal because you're too busy. Because there's a lot of people like that now. They literally work and work and work and work and work and work and work. They don't get no time for anything to eat, and they've got obviously just drinking. So having that is ideal. At least that's a meal and a drink for if you're rushing around. So that, yeah, I recommend it. It's good for you. There's nothing bad in there for you. Just go and check their website out, YFOODS. I mean, what I'll do, I'll put it in. I'll see if I'll type it. Go on Google, type, and I'll put the link to their website in the description of the video. So if you can't find it, at least you can just get the bottom and the description bit where it explains what the video is about. Scroll down and you'll see YFOODS there. I might as well, ain't I? It's not a review, so don't think it is. It's not, because I'm not going into no more detail about it, because if they sent me stuff out or if they sponsored, it'd be different. I'd do a proper video, but I'm not going to. I'm just doing this for my own purpose and for anybody that thinks it could help them, basically. Which at the minute it's helping us. We feel a lot better than what we did. Need to do another live, don't we? At some point, we need to do another live, because the first one that went up the spout. Well, we got a live out of it. We got, I think, an hour and 10 minutes, but for some reason, what it was doing, it was kept just going through process at the end, so it uploaded onto the channel, so then you could look back at it. It wasn't doing anything, and I think I accidentally pushed a button. It deleted it off. So yeah, our first live we did, which didn't go too bad. We had a laugh over that. Went a bit wrong. So next one I do, I'm gonna look through some videos how to get it done properly, so I don't make that mistake again. Because obviously we haven't got any. I've got a few things I can show you. I mean, like, we've got a speaker that we take camping with us. I want to give that a review because it's blooming good. We love it. We've used it on all the camping trips now since we got it. Fridge we got. If you've got a family and you're camping, even in a camper van, you can use these in. The new fridge, you've probably seen it in our video in the tent. I love that thing to bits. We've used it in the house for the past 6 months, every single day. It's not missed a beat yet. It's blinking brilliant. Don't get me wrong, we've got a normal house fridge, but it's not very good. It's not very big. So what we do, we put all the food in that in there, and then all the drinks we put in the camping fridge. Which, to be fair, it's absolutely fine doing that. It's not missed a beat. So yeah, we've still got a few things to show you, but I'm not going to do no more today because I need to get something to eat. I've got to get the first video up as well. So 3 videos in the space of an hour. So anyway, I'm going to leave that here. I hope some of these videos that I'm putting out now will help you in any way or any form. It's just little discussion videos about what we're doing, what's probably helping us, what's not, Obviously, maybe at a later date, we'll come back to you, say maybe in 6 months' time or something, and see if there's been any change or how we feel about it. We might, in another few months' time, we might say, oh no, that's crap, we're not doing that no more. No, I can't see it happening. If this is making us feel better and making us healthier, obviously maybe even lose the weight, I'll keep on it. Anyway, you lovely lot, gonna love and leave you now. Don't forget to give us a subscribe. Give us a like, give us a comment. We answer all the comments, don't forget. If you look back at previous videos, every single comment we've replied to. So anyway, and don't forget to share. Sharing is important because that gets us out and about. Like, we share every video all over social media ourselves, the ones that we've got. So whatever you've got, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, which used to be called Twitter. If anyone don't know, it used to be Twitter, it's now called X. Just share it wherever you can, and it means the world to us, because we're doing quite well with new subscribers at the minute. It's slowed down a little bit, where obviously I've only had 1 video a week out, but I'm hopefully going to pick that back up again now. But obviously things have happened, I ain't been well, plus new bits and bobs and that as well, about to sort all that out. We've just been busy. and we're busy next week as well, to be fair. But I'm going to try and get back to videos, obviously, on a Friday, which will be today. Well, no, not to you. I don't know when this will go on, but it's a Friday and a Sunday. So I'm going to try and make the times. Let's think times so you could keep a lookout. Or put the notification bell on. There is a notification bell when you subscribe, and it will say all personal or none or blah de blah. If you put all, that will send you a notification through to your phone or whatever devices you have, tablets or whichever, when a new video comes on. Or just look out for us round about probably 5, half 5 on a Friday, or around 3, 4 o'clock on a Sunday. That's the sort of times we're looking for. Whether I get to them on time is another story, but that's the sort of time and days we're looking at the minute. There could be more in the future, more videos, more days. So we'll work that out in the future when it comes to it, because the videos are important. The more we get, the better, because it's getting our channel out there. People are seeing it more. YouTube are seeing more activity, pushing it even more, if you get where I'm coming from. Anyway, we'll catch you all again very soon. And we love you all. Take care. Ta-da.